To make your titles pop, let's start by creating two text layers. Type your first text, then duplicate it to create the second. Align both layers to the center and adjust the scale to fit your composition. Next, go to the Effects panel, search for Crop, and drag it onto the first text layer. This will allow us to control how the text enters the screen. Search for Transform in the Effects panel and add it to the same text layer below the crop effect. In the Effects Controls panel, adjust the position so that the text starts below the screen. Set a keyframe here. Move forward a few frames, then position the text above the screen to animate it. Select the last keyframe and apply Ease In to make the motion smoother. Now, apply the same steps to the second text layer, but this time, position the text above the screen and animate it moving downward. And that's it. Watch as the first text moves from bottom to top, while the second text animates from top to bottom, creating a cool reveal effect. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe content.